Welcome back to my channel. USA Cars Detail. The 2025 Yamaha R1 has finally arrived, and it's rewriting the rules of what a superbike can be. If you thought last year's model was impressive, wait till you hear what Yamaha has packed into this beast. At first glance, the aggressive aerodynamic styling grabs your attention. The new fairing is sleeker, sharper, and inspired by Yamaha's MotoGP YZR M1, making it look like it's already doing 200 km per hour while standing still. But the changes aren't just skin deep. Under the hood, the R1 retains its iconic 998 cubic centimeters crossplane inline-4 engine, but with refined internals for better efficiency and smoother power delivery. It now produces an astonishing 205 horsepower, paired with improved torque curves that make acceleration feel even more instant. The electronics package is where the R1 really shows off. With an upgraded 6-axis IMU and advanced ride-by-wire system, you get precise control whether you're carving up a racetrack or cruising city streets. The new TFT display is bigger, brighter, and customizable, letting you toggle through ride modes, traction control, wheelie control, slide control, launch control, and now, even adaptive engine braking. Yamaha's engineers have also worked on heat management, making the 2025 R1 run cooler and more efficiently in high-performance conditions. Suspension duties are handled by fully adjustable KYB forks at the front and a high-performance monoshock at the rear, both of which now come with electronically controlled damping as an optional upgrade. Braking is as sharp as you'd expect, thanks to dual 320mm discs up front with Brembo calipers and a lightweight aluminum rear disc. Cornering ABS and unified braking systems ensure you stay in full control no matter what the conditions. The chassis remains a Deltabox aluminum frame, but Yamaha has managed to reduce weight by using new magnesium and carbon fiber components, shaving off crucial kilograms for better agility. It now tips the scale at just under 200 kilograms wet, giving it one of the best power-to-weight ratios in its class. The ergonomics have been subtly tweaked too. It still feels like a race bike, but the new seat and handlebar geometry provide a bit more comfort for long rides without compromising control. Whether you're chasing lap times or just want to own one of the most iconic superbikes ever made, the 2025 Yamaha R1 delivers the perfect blend of raw power, cutting-edge technology, and race-inspired DNA. Yamaha has kept the soul of the R1 intact while pushing the limits even further. This isn't just an update, it's a statement. And for riders who demand the absolute best, the 2025 R1 is ready to answer that call. If you're looking for a machine that excites every sense and dominates every road, look no further, because the legend just got faster.